In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main photo on Facebook Marketplace. If you have a listing live on Facebook Marketplace and you want a different image to appear first, the good news is that this is usually very quick to update. The main photo is important because it's the first thing buyers see when they scroll, so choosing the strongest image can help your listing stand out and look more appealing. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section where you can manage your buying and selling activity. Next, click on your profile icon within Marketplace. From there, select your listings. This area shows all of the items you currently have posted, and it's where you can make changes to any active listing. Now open the listing that you want to edit. Once the listing loads, click Edit Listing. This will bring up the editing screen where you can adjust the details of your post, including the photos. To change the main photo, look at the photo section and drag the image you want to use into the first position. On Facebook Marketplace, the image in the first slot is usually the one that becomes the main photo buyers see in search results and previews. So if you want a specific picture to represent your item, just move that image to the front. If dragging the photo isn't available, or doesn't work on your version of Facebook, there's another way to handle it. You can delete the current first photo, then upload your preferred image first so it takes that primary spot. This is a simple workaround if the platform doesn't let you reorder images directly. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the photo order to make sure everything looks the way you want. The first image should be clear, well lit, and show the item as accurately as possible, since that's the photo most people will notice first. Once everything looks right, click Save to update your listing. Facebook will apply the change and your new main photo should now appear on the Marketplace listing. And that's how to change the main photo on Facebook Marketplace.